We're going to make a glaze. It comes out as being very gourmet, but it's a very simple glaze. Start with half a cup of water. We just want to bring that to a boil. So I have a quarter cup here of real maple syrup, some dried cranberries here, some olive oil, and some red wine vinegar, and I've got some nice green mustard here. So you just want to let it cook long enough so that the cranberries soften.
Oh, wow.
So I've taken a breast and a thigh and I put it in the oven at 350.
Okay.
And you want it to cook for about 40 minutes. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the skin from them. I don't often do this, but for this particular recipe, it's just something that works really well for that. Once the cranberries are nice and soft here, I'm going to put it into something smaller here that'll be a little easier to blend with.
Just get all that mixed up.
And then your sauce is done. Just coat these really nicely with lots of sauce here.
Okay.
After about 20 minutes here, we have...
Ta-da!
We can finish them off with some nice chopped fresh chives.
Look at those.